let's say you're in competition and you have a composite done or an image that you're ready to go to competition with. And as you know, when we're in competition, we normally put borders, frames on our images, and then we have to decide we have our image and we have to decide what color we want to have on our borders. Well, normally, most of us have actions and we run different actions, like we pick a color from the image and we say, well, I wonder what this image would look like if I put a frame on here with this light green, or maybe this pastel yellowish color, or maybe I want to take some kind of an orange. And we end up rerunning our actions to build our mat, if you will, several different times so that we can get a visual of how this image is going to look with those colors. Well, the nice thing is that there's a feature right here in Photoshop that will allow us to view our image on the border color without having to run our mat thing at all. And all you have to do is, while you have your image zoomed out like this, you can right click anywhere in the gray part of your image, and at the very bottom here you can see this thing that says select a custom color. Now I can say, well, I wonder what this image is going to look like if I use this light yellow. I can pick that color, and now I can see if I were to put that color mat on my competition print, what would it look like? Well, does that really enhance my image or not? So maybe I don't like that one. So now I want to see what it will look like if I put one of these more orangey colors on it. So I can just pick that color. Maybe that's a little better. Maybe I want to try again and I want to see what it would look like with a green on it, or a darker color. Maybe I want to go with this really dark green. Looks a little better when you go with a darker green. So this feature really, for those of you entering competition prints, gives you a great way to test dozens of different colors for your mats without having to go through the pain of running your actions and testing your mat colors, or changing your mat color after you've already run the actions by selecting those things and then changing your colors. So hopefully those of you that are doing competition, and if you're watching this, you all should be doing competition. This is a really quick way for you to view your image, to select your mat colors.